Hey class, how's it going? It's getting a little cold out. Told you guys I'd do a little, take the scabbard off. Forgot to tell you about that. Scabbard, hold it nice and level, well-balanced saw. We're gonna get this thing started. Get my safety glasses on, get my helmet on. I'm gonna slice off one of these really quick and do a little bit of light cutting over there. I'm only probably gonna cut this one for you and then end the video. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this thing going, turn it on. And there you have it. It took a little longer than I thought. Again, if I had like a 90cc chainsaw, I would have cut through that in like 10 seconds. Mine's more of a easy does it homeowner one. Anyway, I got a little bit of work left. Just gotta trim this and kill it, chop that down. Peace out, have a good one. See you later.